This is my old Barbour wax jacket, which has seen better days. As you can see, we've got all sorts of problems under here. These are little holes which have been caused by barbed wire. These are creases which have just worn out through many years of heavy usage. And then on this side, got a serious rip, which basically renders the jacket virtually useless, but I'm going to show you how we can fix that using Stormsure. So here's a small puncture. Just need to degrease it with some solvent and then wipe off the wax. Now apply the Stormsure adhesive directly onto the hole. And now smooth it over with a spatula and leave it flat to dry. This is an area where there's been creases and it's worn and been abraded, and it is no longer waterproof, so water is already leaking through that. But first I'm going to remove the wax coating with just by putting on a little bit of solvent and brushing off the wax. And it's a pretty stiff wax, so you need to have a good go. You can use a variety of different things like acetone, toluene, maybe even petrol, but you don't want anything that's oily, so don't use diesel. I'm putting some glue into this plastic container, and I'm just going to add a bit of solvent to it. This is Stormsure Accelerator, and what I'm doing is I'm mixing it with the solvent and thinning the glue. I'm getting it down to a sort of consistency that's similar to paint. And this technique works really well if the liquid or the glue is not going to drip through a large hole. And this is a classic example here, that the material's still intact, but it's fairly badly compromised. And that will probably be dry in under an hour. So here's the damaged area. I've degreased it and I'm going to use a patch, and you can use any material, it doesn't really matter as long as it's going to hold the glue. You're not going to see it. The reason you're not going to see it is because it's going inside. I'm going to put the glue on the inside first. Put a little bit down. I'll spread it around with a spatula in a moment. And all you're trying to do is just to stick the fabric, the wax jacket fabric, to the patch, and put a bit more glue over the surface, and this will seal it, but it will still remain completely flexible and it will be waterproof. That's the job done. That took about 3 minutes.